Hi, I'm Dana Opelman. This video is part of my free sleep course for kids 25 months and up right here on YouTube. If you could use some more guidance and check out Sleep Sounds Plus, the link is in the description below. Hi, welcome back. Okay, so we are getting to the end of our 2 weeks together. I am hoping that you are seeing some nights where your child is sleeping through. If that hasn't happened yet, then I want to give you some tips today to speed things up. Again, so common with this age group to still be experiencing some nighttime wake-ups still. Hopefully it's just one or two and they're relatively brief, but for some kids, this is the part that's the really hard part, the tricky part for them. They just can't quite get all the way through the night without a visit from you. So if that's happening, then what we need to do is start consequencing wake-ups. So you would talk to your child about how it's really not okay for her to wake you up in the night. Remind her about that great reward that's waiting for her on the other side of morning, and that when she calls for you or comes for you tonight, that you will be giving her the lock the door consequence. And you can say, if you come for mommy in the night tonight, I'm going to have to lock your door. We're warning her, right? If she's going to try at all to make it through the night without coming to you, then this will be the night where she does that, because she knows that that unliked consequence is going to show up. So let's say she does wake up in the night. She either calls for you or comes for you. You're going to return her to her bed. You're going to walk calmly out of the room and you're going to hold the door closed for 1 full minute. We're starting with 1 minute here because we're really trying to say it's not okay for you to wake me up in the night. Not anymore. After 1 minute, you can open the door a little bit and sit back down in your chair, which is kind of almost all the way out of the room there, and repeat the same process as bedtime. If she wakes up again, we're going to go to a straight 2-minute door lock right from the get-go, and that's going to help speed things up. That's going to quickly put an end to these lingering night wake-ups that are still showing up for you. So tonight, we are moving our chair completely out of view. She can't see you at all anymore. You have the door closed most of the way. Maybe it's just open a crack, and you tell her that you'll be outside the door. She will most likely come to see if that's where you are. She's testing you, right, to make sure that that's exactly where you are. And you would just say, yes, this is where I am. This is where I'll stay until you are asleep. If you come out again, I'm going to have to lock your door. Same strategy. 30 seconds, 1 minute, minute and a half, 2, as many times as she comes out to check where you are. And that's the same strategy we're going to use for our nighttime wake-ups if they're happening, along with the automatic consequence. Consequence first for waking you, then consequencing any uncooperative behavior after the fact. All right, we'll see you in the morning. Bye for now.